So Sim and I asked if Saturday is still soup day. We don't think so nowadays, but any day is a great day, any day of the week. The man known for his soups, Bulbie. Last Monday, I'm on the plaza, and this gentleman stops me and give me a hard time quietly, only to find out, say, it's the great Bulbie. That day he was doing crayfish. He's in studio with us this morning, and he's doing chicken soup this morning. Bridget, wagwan, morning, welcome.
Morning, Jamaica, you know?
Everything all right?
Yeah, man, everything all right.
When did soup thing start?
Well, the soup thing started out, it was, I used to do taxi. Mullines Road, Alpha-Tree, Can't big up Mullines Road, can't forget. And, constant pressure with me and back and forth with me and police. And, one day, I just say, some things I can do something different with my life. And I think to myself, and, my mother have a restaurant, always a cook. So I say, all right, let my mother teach me the basics. And my mother teach me the basics, and, I add my little style and little fashion to it. And,
but why soup? Why soup?
Because I think soup is a more, everybody drinks soup, right through. When you contemplate for eat rice, you gotta drink soup. As you feel different or off, you gotta say, I want a soup. So I say soup would be a more,
Yeah. But you do a different kind of soup every single day.
Yeah, because, when I started out doing soup, I never wanted to just be a soup man. I wanted to be this soup man. So I wanted to be different in all aspects, So Monday, crayfish soup. Tuesday, pigtail soup. Wednesday, we do chicken foot cow skin. Thursday, I have to do back pigtail, because pigtail, boy, pigtail are the number one.
People want.
Boy, I never know Jamaican people love pork, so. Pigtail, man.
Yeah.
Friday, the great conch soup. Saturday now with us. If I get good ram goat, because we don't cook she goat, I forget the good original ram goat. So we cook the ram goat. If we don't get a ram goat, we just cook some chicken back with chicken foot soup.
And you rest on Sunday?
On Sunday, yeah, we just relax on Sunday.
Yeah, where do you sell your stuff?
Central Plaza, Alpha-Tree, 12 o'clock every day.
But
Central
you also
Plaza.
go around, because that's not where I saw you, but you also go around because you serve banks and everybody, don't you?
Yeah, man. Because I don't really want to limit the soup. I want to have it in a corporate. I want to have it to middle class society. I want to have it for, everybody.
So if somebody want a little function and they want to get Bulbie, how them find you?
Yeah, them just contact me on Instagram, or them email me, or them call me straight. My phone number is on my Instagram page, Bulbie Soups on Instagram. So they just contact me and we just do business from there.
Your name is Mr. Sayers. Where does Bulbie thing come from now?
Well, Calabar. When you go Calabar, nobody not call nobody by them right name. Everybody have a nickname. So the minute you go Calabar, them find a name again. So because it gets me have big eyes, them just say, all right, Bulbie. So from there, Calabar, the name stick for me,
Yeah. What you brought this morning?
Well, I bring chicken foot soup.
Before you do that, how big is the container that you go out with in the days?
Well, the pot big, I think one pot can serve up to about 150 people.
Ooh.
Yeah.
A big pot.
Yeah,
how much this can serve?
This can probably serve about 20 people.
And you go to the pot that
small cup, them like a small 8-ounce cup.
And you go with that thing at 150?
Yeah, man.
So you do one thing for the day, and when it's done, that's it?
Yeah, one thing for the day, and when it's done, it's done. So, them say early bird catch the most worms, so people have to catch Bulbie soups early.
So what time you go out?
All right, I venture out at 10 o'clock in the morning.
And you finish what time?
And I finish around about 1:30, 2 o'clock by chance.
I want your job. So you work from 10 to 1 every day?
Yeah, 10 to 1, and then we just go home the rest. Sometimes I have to go home the pre-prep enough for that.
How long it take you to make that?
Well, the soup, I start cook the soup like 7 o'clock, and I don't cook the soup by about 9:30. It's about 2.5 hours tops.
All right, so this is, you said chicken foot. What else is in this one?
So this one I've been chicken foot, corn, okra, mixed vegetable, spinach, the whole heap of things, man. Remember, that's why everybody say, Bulbie soup, one soup, any other soup, or cup soup. When I disrespect nobody, but that's my slogan, Yeah.
Then a cup you put the soup in?
No man, cup soup, they mean like them other type of soup that would look tall something them in it and, you know? Yeah.
The tall soup.
Yeah, we don't really want to call nobody name because, you know, we can't do the last suit, you know? All right. Remember, I Calabar student, so I stay the right part, you know?
Yeah, you can put some food in it. Just don't put the chicken food.
All right.
You can put some
Remember, most Jamaican people don't really fancy chicken foot, but...
Then why you do it then?
Well, I guess as much people when I like it, as much like it too.
Oh.
So I guess, you know?
You go to town at all?
Yeah, sometimes we do events outside town, like Ocho. The other day I was at Sands in Ocho. You know, because I do most of them elite events, Sands, the Estate. I did floating the other day up by Mona. I do a lot of events.
How much you sell this for?
That cup would be $200 if it's chicken. But if it's like pigtail or crayfish or the more expensive meats, that cup would be like $250.
Go on top, Bulbie, it's nice. Go on top. So if it's crayfish, which is like lobster, right? Crayfish
Yeah, crayfish like the smaller, like baby lobster. Yeah. Or people call it janga.
So how much is that one?
That one costs $250 for this small cup.
And what else you do? The pigtail is how much?
Same price. Once is the only time it's less is unless it's a cooked chicken. It will be less money, like for $200.
Where you go today?
Where I go today? Well, today, the regular Central Plaza, 12 o'clock. But like in the morning time, I do look around. Like once I'm early and I can go to a specific location, I try to kind of spread the love. But some people get the day here, the next day them I go other places and I try to get everybody involved because we don't want nobody say like, we are tech side, and also with us.
Any other idea of food, or are you just going to stick with the soup?
Nah, man. Well, I'm planning to, you know, grow the business now. Get a spot in half a tree where I can, cause I'm good at seafood, you know, curry conch, lobster, you know.
So you're a chef?
Yeah, man, I'm a chef, man. But soup, I just do the soup, cause you know, soup more relaxing for the stomach. Some of us say, all right, we're going to run the soup.
Relaxing for the stomach.
But we so, you know, we expand, man.
Yeah.
Day by day.
Right.
One step at a time.
Good to see you.
Man.
More than I tell him what you did to me last week. More than I tell him.
Yeah.
His name is Mr. Sayers, by the way, but they call him Bulbie. And he's known for his soups, obviously. Bulbie, the soup man. All right, we're going to take a break. Sim will finish the show of breakfast.
One soup.
All that soup is?
Cup soup.
And that Mr.
Nice.
We'll soon come.